What is up, everybody? So, my third lesson learned from Tony Robbins, from all the events I've been going to, is the importance of not working away from something and instead working towards it. And to demonstrate this, I want to tell you about the journey I'm on right now. November 16th was my last day with my last company. I quit. I didn't know what was going to happen. When I quit, I knew I wanted to be an entrepreneur. I knew I was meant to make an impact, but I didn't know how. I didn't know what product or service I was going to offer. And so when I first quit, in my mind, I was doing all my financials, budgeting, planning, all this stuff like that. And I'm looking at all of this and I'm saying, okay, this is the runway that I have. This is how long I have before I must make money. And so I'm planning on all this. So the way I look at it, I'm working away from running out of money. How do I make this work without going broke? Which any entrepreneur out there watching this knows exactly what I mean, right? You've got to make sure you have the finances. But what happened is, as I found my calling, as I found what I want to do, how I want to impact the world, how I want to help people, I found my mission. I found what I wanted to work toward. As I found that, the financial burden, the financial worry dissipated. Because I'm not working away from running out of money. I'm working towards changing lives. I'm working towards how can I make a bigger impact. I'm working towards what I can do for others instead of away from, I don't want to run out of money. I don't want to move in with my parents anymore. Right? We've all had that concern, that worry. So that was the third lesson that I really took away from Tony Robbins, is you must figure out, what are you working towards? What are you working towards to get what you want? If you have to rely on something you're working away from to motivate you to take action, you will never do it. You will never take action. You will never move in the right direction. So you've got to figure out, what are you working towards? Forget about what's behind you. Forget about what's pushing you. Think about what's pulling you. What's pulling you in? What's pulling you towards your goals, towards the impact you want to make? Because that is what's going to motivate you. That is what's going to help you get the results that you deserve, the results that you want. It's not working away from something. You cannot cut costs into success. You just can't. You cannot cut costs to get to where you want to be. What you have to do is you have to work towards something. You have to work towards getting there. And that was my lesson learned. I've got to figure out, what do I need to do to work towards to get the results that I want. And once I figured them out, I don't need to be motivated to get up. I get up because I want to. I get up because I'm going to make an impact. So I hope this helps you. I hope you think about, what are you working towards? Don't worry about what's pushing you. That's not important. Where you're going is what's important. So focus on it. And have a great day. We'll talk to y'all soon.